Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie. And for today's video, your girl's gonna keep it very simple and easy. This is a day 2 hair with no curl pattern, barely any waves, lots of volume though I have to say. And what I want to do today is a easy refresh. I don't even know if I can call that a refresh because there's no curl pattern to begin with. So we're just gonna go from 0 to 100 real fast in this video, so I hope you guys are ready for it. The products I decided to use today are the Rocking Ringlets from Jessicurls and the Orange Marmalade from EcoSlay Leave-In Conditioner Gel. Boom, we are going to have beautiful hair by the end of this video. Fingers crossed, because your girl's tired. I went to bed a little bit too late last night, so I don't know what my hair is gonna do today, but I don't, to be honest, I don't expect anything spectacular. Now, before I get into the meat of this video, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel and have been enjoying a few videos, I think it's time to consider being part of this awesome community. I'm just saying, you know, you can always hit that subscribe button like right now. If you guys want to support me, support my channel, feel free to like and comment as much as possible. I really appreciate it. All right, with no further ado, let's get this party started. All right, so this is me on day 2 with brushed out hair. I washed my hair on Tuesday night and I put it in a braid. Yesterday I kept it in a braid all day, and then today, Thursday, it's been in a ponytail, it's been in a bun. We're going to refresh. I am loving the volume I have right now. This is really nice. How are we gonna keep this volume? We are going to wet the hair, but we're gonna leave the roots alone. Okay, right now I don't have a lot of frizz. I'm gonna try to keep it this way. Okay, so step 1, let's get this hair wet. I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and then all right, now that my hair is all wet, I'm going to start applying the product. I'm going to start with the leave-in conditioner. I am first going to apply my Rocking Ringlet Styling Potion from Jessicurls. Where's my towel? From Jessicurls. I'm putting about a teaspoon size for my first application. Voila. Other side. That was fast. I'm telling you, I'm not wasting time, guys. I want this to be easy and fast. Just want to show you how I do my hair when I don't want to do my hair. That's pretty much what we're doing right now. Okay. All right, so I have 3 servings of hair product. I have both sides and the back. I am brushing through to make sure that the product is distributed nicely. Okay, I'm parting my hair however I like. I am going to apply more. This time we're going to go on the top here. On the top here. Okay. All right, so I decided to apply a little bit of the Garnier Fructis 1-minute hair mask on the ends of my hair because they've been a little too dry lately. I had to patch this one up because Amazon delivery was a little rough this time and they broke the cover. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this on the ends just to help with moisture. Don't forget the Garnier 1-minute hair mask is a 3-in-1 product. You can use it as a conditioner to detangle, you can use it as a hair mask and as a leave-in conditioner. That's why I love this product so much. It's great for hydration when you have high porosity, fine wavy to curly hair. Yeah, and it has no silicone, parabens, sulfate, blah, 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 blah. All right, now that my hair is conditioned, I am going to start working on my curl formation. I'm not applying my gel yet. First, I am working on the curl formation. So I'm going to put my hair upside down. I'm going to do a clumping method. We're going to create some curls, and then we'll put the gel. Let's do this. This is the part where you can go in with your Demnon brush if you wish to. I'm personally just gonna scrunch my hair. We're going from 0 to 100 right now. There's no squish to condition because my hair is not wet enough, but it's okay. Again, we're keeping it light and easy. If ever you feel like you need more water, feel free to go ahead and add a little bit more. Again, we don't want to add too much. We want the drying process to be fast. We don't have time today. All right, my love, this is it for my curl formation. This is what I have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my gel. Again, we're using EcoSlay Orange Marmalade. All right, I am done applying my product. Now I'm gonna get my diffuser and go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then we shall see together the end result. See you in a sec. All right, my love, I'm back. This is it. I am done diffusing my hair. My hair has not really fluffed up yet because I finished diffusing it like 10 minutes ago, maybe. What can I tell you right now? I am loving the moisture I'm getting from this product combo that I just did. I'm super glad that I decided to add a little bit of Garnier Fructis 1 minute hair mask to the tips of my hair because I can see how nicely hydrated and clumped my curls are, and the more hydration I get to my hair, the better my curl definition looks. And well, I mean, there's a balance. Too much hydration is not good, of course, but when you get that right balance, you're able to have a nice clumping of curls, a nice hold of the curls. There's less freeze and less breakage. So I'm super happy that this is what I'm getting right now. As far as the volume, I am very excited about the fact that my hair is able to keep its natural volume. The key here was to not wet or apply too much product to the roots. Let it be a little bit, just enough for you to have that little curl pattern. And yes, there is maybe a little bit of frizz that is starting to come up. To be honest, I can't really see myself properly right now. I only see myself in that little tiny screen from my DSLR, so I'll see when I edit, really. So maybe a little bit of frizz, but I'm not too mad at it, you know, honestly. For a day 2 refresh, going from absolutely no curl definition to this, I'm kind of happy. Okay. Okay, what else can I say? I did apply the product on a wet hair, but my hair was not soaked. When your hair is just a little wet from a spray bottle, like I did in this video, your product is going to be a lot more concentrated in your hair, and you really have to work on a good distribution. That is why I am brushing my hair through so much and then clumping so much. If you feel like when you are doing the clump method, there's not enough squish, feel free to add a little bit of water from your spray bottle, or wet your brush under the water and then brush your hair through, just to add enough moisture to get that nice squish to condition action that our hair enjoys so much. I could have used a microfiber towel to scrunch out the excess product, but I did not want to. I didn't feel like it, so I didn't do it. And honestly, not too bad. I have to say my scalp starts feeling a little bit itchy. It's like the beginning of a itchy scalp, which is an indication to me that I need to wash my hair soon. So tomorrow morning I'm probably gonna have a wash day with shampoo and conditioner and probably a little bit of a mask. But for today, this is what I'm rocking. I am not mad at all. It legit took me 15 minutes to be done with this style. And then voila. All right, my love, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, your tips. I'm really curious. And then that's that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps me out and helps me out. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.